In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall CapCut in Windows. If CapCut is no longer needed or you're troubleshooting a fresh install, this walkthrough will guide you through the built-in Windows method. Before you begin, make sure any projects are saved and the app is closed. You'll also want to be signed in with an account that has permission to uninstall apps on this PC. Start by opening the Windows search bar. You can click the Start button on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring it up. In the search field, type CapCut. You might see it listed as CapCut with a capital C. When it appears in the results, click it once to highlight it so Windows knows which app you're working with. Next, right-click the CapCut result to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick actions for the app. Look for Uninstall in that menu and click it. Don't worry if nothing disappears immediately. Windows is now going to send you to the Settings page where App Management lives. Once you're in Settings, you'll be in the Apps section, specifically the list of installed apps. Here, you need to locate CapCut. The easiest way is to use the search box at the top of the list and type CapCut, but you can also scroll until you find it. If you see multiple entries, focus on the main CapCut application entry. When you've found CapCut in the list, look for the three-dot button to the right of its name. Click those dots to open the options for that app. Then choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, and you may also get a security prompt asking for permission to make changes. Confirm to proceed. The uninstaller will run, and for most systems, this only takes a moment. Keep the settings window open until it finishes so you can see when the entry disappears. You'll know the process is complete when CapCut no longer appears in the installed apps list, and searching for it in the Start menu doesn't return the app. If the uninstall button is grayed out, make sure CapCut isn't running in the background and try again. If you installed from the Microsoft Store, these same steps still apply through Apps and Settings. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled CapCut using the standard Windows process. If you plan to reinstall, a quick restart can help clear leftover temporary files before you download it again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step on your own screen.